Had to be some reason they took it off.
Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of odd. I mean, they left the pipe in the wall, and this has been open.
Yeah.
There was the shirt that was stuffed in here?
All of that was there.
So that shirt was not from you then?
No, the shirt, it was a skirt, and it was tucked in there.
The problem is I'm not going to be able to use... I'm going to have to take this out.
What is it?
Just the piece of pipe that's sticking through the stucco wall there.
Yeah. And so that fiberglass that's in the wall right there, you have to watch very closely so it doesn't burn, right?
Well, I can, if I have to, I can pro press, but there's a good chance I'll have to open up this stucco. Because I might be able to get it out with a
If you put
screwdriver.
the stub out piece in there first, right?
Well, I just got to get this out first. I might be able to get it out with a screwdriver. Let me grab some tools.
All right.
Everybody's got a hose bib. Everybody's got a hose bib except for Anthony here, so. And they've lived here for a very long time, and he said they've never had a hose bib. So, all right, let's get him a hose bib. All right. Whoa. No, that's not gonna work. Well, yeah, that might work. I just gotta get that piece of copper out of there. I don't know if you can see that hanger back there. It's hard to see, it's right. That guy. Right there. Those are really holding that in.
Pull it up more. No. Down. You gotta pull it down like that.
There you go. Just gonna break that out. That ain't gonna work. So we're gonna have to.
You make YouTube channels?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I got a plumbing YouTube channel. I thought you knew that. You're not a subscriber? You're not my #1 fan and subscriber?
No.
I thought you were.
Andy said you guys probably have a YouTube channel.
Yep, I do.
He has a YouTube channel.
Boy, that freaking hanger is just... How can I not get that? Problem with the multi-tool is it could only reach a certain amount, so this is not going to be good because this is going to be right up against the wall and it's going to bounce around, so just send it. Alright, just the freaking hanger is right. Yeah, it ain't gonna work. Freaking bounces off. Let's try it again. That ain't gonna work. Got it. I just gotta get this out of here. I'll be able to get that out. Or I can just bend it out of the way like that. As long as this isn't touching. Surprised there was no corrosion on the copper, because this is galvanized. This little hanger. We'll get that out of there. Alright, we're gonna gotta be smarter than the door. Wow. Gotta be smarter than the door. Alright, now we're gonna turn the water off. There you go. Alright. Water's off. There'll be a lot of water in this.
Of course, it's coming from upstairs, right?
Yeah. Not too bad. Just a little bit. Not too bad. Yikes. We might have to, I'm not gonna be able to pro press that. I guess I could sweat it if needed. Or I can just cut it right there. Anyway. Alright, so we're gonna have to press some of this before. I don't even know if I'll get the jaws in there without opening this up a little bit more. Alright. It's all pressed. Now, how are we going to secure this is the question. How are we going to secure that? Alright, which one do you want?
I want the red one. I'm fucking with you.
Which one do you prefer?
The green one.
Green one? Mm-hmm. Good choice. Alright. Press it a little more if you can. Thank you, sir.
Good?
Yep. So just for the record, he wanted it this close. He said put that as close into the wall as possible. So normally I would have left at least a couple inches of copper, but that is his request. So don't shoot the messenger. All right, a little tape and dope. Water's on. I don't see any leaks. I don't see any leaks.
Leaking?
Nope. Just checking for him now. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna try to secure this like this. Not sure if it's gonna be possible, but we're gonna try. Okay, that wood didn't work, so we got 2 pieces of unistrut, thick and thin, deep, shallow. And then we will sink 2 screws. Let me show you. Might be hard to explain. All right. It's a little crooked because of the ProPress little fittings there, but that's as good as you're gonna get it without opening up this more and without opening up the stucco. So I'm good with that. A little crooked. You good with that, Anthony?
What's that?
It's about as good as you're gonna get it right there.
I'll take that.
You'll take it? All right. I did my best without opening up the stucco, so. It's secure though. It's secure. Oh yeah, that's. No, I wouldn't worry about that. That's good. That's good. All right. Guess we'll call that one.